Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make fridge magnets out of old unused headphones. Okay then, let's get started. Now cut out the earbud part as shown here. You will find magnet inside it. Every speakers have a magnet. Now cut out the wire connected to it. And now you should remove all the unwanted parts around the magnet. If any kids are watching, please seek help of your parents or any adults to take the parts away. And today we're gonna make 4 fridge magnets. Copy out the designs or characters which you want to make. And I've selected these which I love the most and cut it out. Make sure you give those minute details. Using picture varnish, varnish it up so that the color doesn't bleed when any water splashes or it gets wet. After the varnish is completely dried, just paste them on a thick sheet. Just look at the sheet. The sheet is not too thick or too thin, it is flexible. Now place these characters onto the sheet. Apply the glue evenly. And paste them. And after it is dried, cut it up. Oh, I just love those designs. Wow. See the outcome? It is thick and flexible too. The color doesn't bleed even if it gets wet. Now take out the magnets. Using a super glue or any other strong glue, paste them onto the characters. Make sure you paste it at the center. You can make any characters you want. Now we can stick all the 4 magnets to the characters we made. After a few seconds or few minutes, just check whether the magnet is placed correctly. It looks so good. And it's done. Let's check it out. Look how it sticks to the metallic face. It looks so cute. You can make any characters you want. Look how strong it is. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends.